Hey guys, boy, I did a dumb one tonight. I was like, my dad's roommate, or tenant, my dad's tenant, he passed away, rest in peace, Dan, has like this, like, I don't know, sexcape thing or whatever, and I used some of his chains and stuff to lock my bike up for my sister. And then I was like, oh, let's try these on. Are they real? Duh. Maybe they have a release button. No, they don't. And there's no key on his key ring. My dad's home. And I have these fucking handcuffs on my hand. I cannot get off. And I don't know what they fart to